Hello, my name is Abra and I have created a home tour series called Human-Made Homes. In previous episodes, we met Daniel in his Art Deco inspired home. Fanny's home tour was a flurry of colorful secondhand decor she and her partner curated. This series explores captivating spaces while talking to the humans who create them. The third episode of Human-Made Homes took place in Lise's Parisian and feminine apartment. And now, we are continuing the series in Paris with Sya, model, interior designer, and fashion enthusiast. Sya created a home filled with functional furniture. She moves around, molding the space to her liking. While touring her home, Sya and I talk of our shared love for Brutalism, shopping smaller and conscious brands, as I get put on to the most comfortable way to use a Togo. For more human-made homes, you can watch the previous 2 seasons of the series available on my YouTube channel, Abra, DaGraça. I have also linked the first 3 episodes of season 3 in the comments down below and the description of this video. Happy watching!